The Magic Drum. Long ago, in a village in South India, there lived a kind-hearted farmer. He had little money, but he was always ready to help others. One day, while walking through the forest, he found an old man lying under a tree. The man was weak and hungry. The farmer gave him food and water without asking anything in return. "I'm not just any old man, I'm a forest spirit. Take this drum. It is no ordinary drum. Whenever you beat it, food and music will appear." The farmer thanked him and took the drum home. That night, he beat the drum. To his surprise, delicious food, fruits, and sweets appeared, along with cheerful music. The farmer invited all his neighbors and shared the magical feast. But soon, a greedy rich man in the village heard about the drum. He visited the farmer and offered him gold in exchange for it. The farmer refused. So the rich man stole the drum at night. He beat it excitedly, but instead of food, out came monkeys. They danced on his head, threw things, and made a mess. The more he beat it, the wilder they got. Crying, he returned the drum to the farmer. As soon as it was back with the kind man, the drum returned to its magic. From that day, the kind farmer lived happily, always sharing his magical blessings, while the greedy man learned a lesson he would never forget. The Sweet Talking Parrot. Once upon a time, in a small town in India, there lived a poor man named Raghu. One day, while walking through the market, he found a beautiful green parrot in a cage. The shopkeeper said, "This is no ordinary bird. It can speak like a human." Raghu spent all his savings and brought the parrot home. He treated the bird with love and care. Soon, the parrot began talking sweetly. It greeted people, sang songs, and even gave clever answers. Raghu took the parrot to the village square, and people gathered every day to hear it talk. As more people came, they gave Raghu gifts and coins. He became well known and respected. But the village king also heard of the parrot and grew curious. He sent his minister to bring the bird. The minister offered Raghu gold, but he refused. So the minister stole the parrot at night and took it to the king. At the palace, the parrot sat silently. When asked to speak, it only squeaked and said nothing. Angry, the king ordered the parrot to be thrown out. The minister returned it to Raghu in shame. As soon as the parrot saw Raghu, it chirped sweetly. "Ah, home at last!" Everyone laughed. Raghu said, "Even parrots chirp sweetly only when there is love." From that day, Raghu and his parrot lived happily, and the whole village remembered that kindness and love matter more than gold or power.